example we're going to discuss. This is the tank, Shabab. This is the jacketed tank. Jacketed. It has a jacket. This is the jacket like this. Everybody knows the jacket, right?
Yeah.
The jacket we wear in the winter. Same kind of jacket, the jacketed tank. You know. So we are controlling the temperature here. Temperature indicator transmitter 1. It is sending signal to the temperature indicator controller 1. Then we are taking the jacket temperature indicator transmitter 2, and it is sending a signal temperature indicator controller 2. Here we have the set point. In the jacket, we have this side glass. The water, we can see some water here. It is circulating with this pump. The pump is there. So the water, this water is circulating through the pump. Output of this, we bring here I2P converter, and we put a valve here that is bringing chilled water. Chilled water. So this is the supply of the chilled water, and this is the circulation. Now obviously this jacket has a limit for the water, right Shabab? Maybe 10 liter, maybe 20 liter, maybe 100 liter, whatever, it has a limit. So as soon as the level is increasing, this is level indicator transmitter. It is sending signal to the level indicator controller. And again, we have here I2P converter. And there is a valve here. This valve is taking this water out whenever level increases. So this is chilled water out. This is chilled water in. Shubha, please pay attention. This is the real life. All the examples we discussed are the real life. This is also one of the real life example. This is a tank, a silo with this jacket. The jacket is there. Right, Shubha? This jacket is there. The duty of this jacket to maintain the temperature. So we are bringing the chilled water here, right, through this system. This is we are measuring the temperature here, then we are measuring the temperature in the jacket. So if the jacket temperature is good, then this temperature will be automatically good. And if the temperature rises, it is not according to the set point, more chilled water will come. And it will circulate. This pump is circulating the water. Now obviously this jacket has a limit. Imagine 100 liter. It can have 100 liter. After 100 liter, this level will be more in the side glass. So we have put a level transmitter here, level indicator here, I2P converter is there, valve is there. So if the level is increasing, the water will go outside. How many controls are there, Shabab, in this loop?
3.
Which one?
Temperature indicator controller 1, temperature indicator controller 2, level indicator controller without any number.
You are fine. You are saying correct. But these are the controllers. I am saying how many control systems are there?
Only 1?
2. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 2. 2 control systems. This one is a cascade. This system is the cascade. Cascade control system. This system is which one? Simple feedback.
Feedback. Yeah.
Simple feedback. Shabab with me? This is cascade system. This is simple feedback system. Shubha with me?
Yes.
Okay. In cascade system, which one is the primary controller?
Temperature indicator controller 1.
Temperature indicator controller 1. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. Which one is the secondary controller? 2. Temperature indicator controller 2. Very good. Right, Shabab? So here we are controlling the head temperature with respect to jacket temperature. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. Primary variable is also temperature. Secondary variable is also temperature. Right, Shabab?
Right.
And this side, we are controlling the level of the water in the jacket with respect to, we measure the level. If the level is more than the set point, this controller has its own set point. If the level is more than the set point, it will open this valve and the water will go out. Shubha with me?
Yes. So the type of valve of the level is normally closed. Yeah.
Normally closed. Yes, very good. It should be normally closed. Whenever we want, then it will go out. Right?
Yes.
What about this one? It should be normally open, normally closed.
Open. I guess normally open.
Normally open, we can say normally open, also normally closed. When normally open means all the time the water is coming. Right?
Yes.
So maybe we don't need, because the temperature, if the temperature is good according to requirement, we can say it is normally closed. So whenever we want, then the water come. Right?
Right.
Okay, so it is depending upon the application. So we don't discuss it, we leave it for the application. Whatever type of application you have, you open it or close it like that. With me?
So it as what we discussed before. If it's used for 24 hours, we make
Yes.
it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Fine.
Yeah. Now the main thing here, this side is cascade, this side is just feedback. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Okay, Shabab, what is this? Left side, right side?
Right side.
Right side. What is its name?
P.
PV. Very good.
Down.
Up, down,
Down.
down. What is its name?
Out. M.
M. What is its name here?
SB.
SP. Very good. Left, right,
Right.
Left.
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 PV. What is the up, down,
Down.
down?
Down.
M. Yes, Shabab. Up, down,
Down. teacher.
down. What is name?
P.
CB.
PV.
DV.
Up, down.
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 What is the name?
Output.
M.
Out. Yes, Shabab. Any question, please ask.
Thank you, teacher.
You are very welcome. So, Shabab, here we are still not ending the cascade. We will come back to cascade, but we need another controller before that. That's what we say. Which controller, Shabab? Ratio controller.